Pero ang good news, may isang kumpanya na gumawa ng isang innovative business system na magbibigay sa atin ng lahat ng hinahanap natin. Presenting Spartans Worldwide Corporation, a company where opportunities meet the modern contemporary lifestyle. Spartans Worldwide Corporation is one of the most innovative one-stop shop home-based business in the Philippines na nag-launch noong April 24, 2022. Misyon ng SWC na makapag-deliver ng competitive products and services na makatutulong sa bawat simpleng Pilipino na makamit ang kanilang financial success na pinapangarap. Dito sa SWC ay tuturuan at tutulungan ka na makapagsimula ng isang negosyo kahit ikaw ay walang malaking kapital, walang business background, walang technical skills at kahit pamahiyain ka. With the combined skills and experiences ng mga founders ng company headed by our President Paul Vincent Pabros, makasisigurado ka na you are about to soar high sa pagnenegosyo. To give you an assurance na tayo ay 100% na legal, here are the copies of the company's permits and legalities. We are duly registered sa Securities and Exchange Commission, BIR, at meron din tayong Quezon City Business Permit. Maliban dyan, we also have FDA licenses. Let's now have a virtual tour sa ating main office located in Unit C, 2nd floor Building A, Paraclet Building, 1543 Quezon Avenue, Barangay West Triangle, Quezon City.